Welcome to Electronics to Electrical.com and a site for electrical and electronics engineering. Question number 17185. Give any 3 features and any 2 applications of welding transformer. Answer. Features of welding transformer. 1. It is a step-down transformer with large number of primary turns, but very small secondary turns. Therefore, welding transformer is having low primary current and large high secondary, or welding current. 2. The primary winding is made up of thin wire and secondary winding is made up of thick wire. 3. The welding transformer supplies the welding current almost at short circuit condition. 4. The primary winding of the transformer is connected to supply available in practice, and secondary is connected to workpiece and electrode. 5. The welding current can be controlled by using following type of reactor: I, tapped reactor, II, magnetic shunt reactor. 6. When welding is under process, the supply system will be considerably affected due to voltage variations. Applications of welding transformer. 1. For spot welding applications. 2. For arc welding applications. 3. For the portable welding machines which operate directly on the single-phase arc supply.